Going on YouTube for HotShot out. So I never did any content when I did my first video, my first load that I had coming from Huntsville, Alabama up to Ohio. Had a tractor going up from going up to Ohio, 6,500 pounds, man, smooth ride up, man. And then actually came back. I was just doing a little weekend run, man, like first run, you know, 'cause I still had a day job. So doing my little weekend run on the way back, man, I found another tractor on the way back, right on the same route. So I'm like, why not? Come on, take it home, come on back home. Coming back from picking up in Ohio to going to Chattanooga, Tennessee. Man, come across Kentucky state line, pulling hills into Tennessee, man. I pulled this I don't know what kind of hill it was, man. I would say like Mount Everest hill. Man, pulling that hill and made it to the top of the hill, and the truck said, hell no. We'll try this again at a later date. Man, she gave out on him. I just heard a pow, and exhaust smoke was everywhere, man. So my truck was down, stuck in Pioneer, Tennessee for like 2 days, you know. Money spent on hotels, you know, trying to get, see what's wrong with my trucks, no transportation. So I had my wife come pick me up, you know, 4 hours away, come get me, bring me back. I end up going to Enterprise and rent a truck personally just to pull my trailer home. Got my trailer back, got someone to actually pick my truck up and bring it back home. For $450, and got my truck back home. Man, the motor was rattling pretty bad. I think my mechanic said I dropped a valve in it. But this is my old Bay right here, man. The old 3500 Laramie. Said the motor's gone in it, man. So, well, he didn't say motor's gone in it yet. He had to pull the heads on it and send the heads out to a shop and see if they can be fixed or not. Yeah, man, I tell you what, man, breakdowns early into this, man, ain't no joke. Man, you better have you a bank account side, something to make you, something that you can get back on your feet real quick, man. But you know, despite all that, man, you know, it's frustrating. You know, like, what's next? Do I lose everything? Do I give up? Do I keep trying? You know, what do I do next? You know, to overcome this breakdown. So I knew a friend out in the dealership right here in Huntsville. He had one truck. He had a truck on a lot. I mean, the only truck I could find within maybe 150, 200 miles from me. You know, based off what I was looking for. So what I was looking for, I wanted a truck with a warranty, low mileage, and also with the 6.7 high output and the A's and transmission with the 14 gears. So I was able to find that, and actually that was on the lot. That's what he had. That's what he had. So went down there, man, test drove it, man. Thing rolled smooth. I mean, it's loaded. I mean, I don't really care about options, but I mean, it is what it is. That's what I had to get, you know. I just need something that's gonna at least be liable, you know, for the job they'll be doing. So, man, went inside the paperwork, boom, approved for the vehicle. Didn't think I'm gonna get approved for it, you know. Shout out to Robert at Landis McCarty Dodge, man. He took care of me. My wife, thank for her, man. She took care of me. So, man, we went to pick this up and let y'all look at it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
2018 3500. It's a limited. mean, it's nice, man. It's pretty loaded. Got almost every option you can think of. Even got the camera in the camper, not the camper bed, in the bed of the truck. And also on the back of the tailgate. Yeah, man. Only got 21,000 miles on it. Had just hit the lot. Got traded in for a 2021 Ram 3500. Yeah, so I popped the hood, let y'all look at it, you know. The Asian. So it's the Asian trans for the sticks on the driver hand side. That's one way I had identified. And it also has the 14 gears. It also has the 14 gears on it. So I had to identify the 14 gears by the rear diff. It says like the thin one that has the grooves in it. So yeah, man. So thankful, I'm blessed. I can get back out on the road, man. Actually, I'm gonna start doing this full time. Like I said, I was doing it, man. Just hitting loads on the weekends, and while I was working my full-time job, you know, just trying to get into it, get a feel of it. Booking that first load. It was I'm not gonna say it was nerve-wracking, but you know, like you say, man, when you first try to get out into it, man, you got the brokers and everything, man, try to talk you down because they know you desperate for a load. But I mean, you still can try to get something out of it, man. I feel for that first load I booked, I got $1.90 out of it. I mean, I'm not 100%. I mean, $1.90 is, I mean, that's not too bad. I mean, maybe bad to others, but you know, I'm just trying to get my foot in the door, man. The load I had brought back was actually cash on delivery, which never made it back. I had to get somebody to take that load for me, so that was money lost on that one. So I actually ended up paying more out than making more in due to the breakdown. Man, I had just filled the gas tank up. We talk like $80 something, just filled the gas tank up. Hotel for 2 nights. So man, we you know. So man, just be prepared, man, for these unexpected circumstances, because I mean it's gonna happen, man. Just have some money in your pocket. But yeah, man, I just sharing a little bit with y'all, man. I might start another video on actually how I got started with my business. I do have my own authority. I do have my own authority and everything. I've been having my authority for about 4 months now. There's some things out there that people don't explain, man. It's a lot more than just getting your MC number, getting your truck, DOT inspection, and hitting the road, man. It's a lot more to it than just that, man. So I'm a kind of share my steps I went through, even steps that just not even out there for people to know, man, that's trying to get into this. So man, I appreciate y'all, man, tuning into the first video. I have some more content coming out. I'm using my cell phone right now, man, because my GoPro's down. I had to order me a new GoPro. So, man, I appreciate it, man. Y'all hit that like, subscribe button. Y'all wait out for more videos. Peace.